Hi there, CreativeSarah here. We are going to make some really inexpensive napkin holders for Thanksgiving. I cut a toilet paper roll into thirds. Basically, I needed one more piece. So I took some of our awesome chalk suede and I cut it to size and stapled. And now I have 4. I'm going to use a little Mod Podge on the outside because I'm going to wrap this in this beautiful ribbon and it makes sure it sticks all the way around. Then I hot glue at the end and I am just going to add some jute, a little leafy green, and a tiny little piece of crocheted ribbon. And this is going to be so cute around your linens. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, go ahead and comment the word VIP. I will send you a welcome message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. So I did the same exact thing and on all 4 of these little rings, and they turned out so cute. Look at this. I hope you love this video and make sure to like and follow my page for more decor.